Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to be sharing with you how you can plan your week so that you are more productive. Now, for me, I always start out with a paper list. I feel like I can organize my ideas better that way, and then I will move on to a digital format. My planning usually starts on Thursday so that I can have a good idea of things that I want to do. So Thursday, I will typically make out my menu for the next week, things that I want to do on the weekend, and then kind of the fixed things that I do need to do. So the questions to ask is what are fixed and what do I need to do for that week, and what I would like to do, as well as the why I am doing this. This helps me to stay motivated during the week so that I can continue to work hard. So for me personally, the fixed things that I need to do is I teach on VIP Kid. I have a brick and mortar teaching position. I want to do my YouTube videos and Teachers Pay Teachers. And then what I would like to do are tasks that I may need to be done. So this can include cleaning, creating my menu for the week, time that I want to relax, errands that I want to do. And currently right now I am trying to do an office makeover on a very fixed budget. So I'm trying to see what I have around my house and what I can use to make it look nicer. And the reason why is that I really want to work from home. So this is kind of the driving force, is that after my contract is up with my brick and mortar teaching position, I want to be able to work from home. So while my schedule is a little crazy now, I know that that's not going to be forever, and the reason why I'm taking on all these other tasks is because I want to work from home. So this is what my weekly schedule looks like. So Monday through Friday, I wake up at 4 a.m. and I teach basically 5:30 to 8:30 with VIP Kid. I like to be in my office around 5:15 so that I have time to get things ready, to make sure my internet's working. I have all my materials prepped so that the teaching can go smoothly. And then in between then, I will get ready for my day. I will eat my lunch. By then I'm eating lunch, and I will answer emails and do all those things that I need to get done. And then if I have time, I like to rest and relax. And then from 12 to 4 is my brick and mortar teaching job, and I get in home anywhere between 4 or 4:15. And then from then I will either eat dinner or I'll relax a bit depending on what work I need to get done. And then from 5:30 to 6:30, I really try to commit 1 hour to either working on Teachers Pay Teachers, YouTube, or other specific tasks that I need to do. Sometimes I have to do something specific for my brick and mortar teaching position. So it just depends each day what I need to do, but I try to commit an hour, specifically more towards Teachers Pay Teachers or YouTube. Ideally, it would be Teachers Pay Teachers. So this is pretty much Monday through Thursday. That is pretty consistent. And then on Friday, I still wake up at 4 in the morning and I do VIP Kid. And then after that, I see what I need to do for that day. So these are more what I would like to do items. So that can be errands that I need to run, tasks that I want to get done. Sometimes I will take a nap that day to kind of re-energize myself. And then for like Friday evenings, I try to just build in time where I can watch my favorite TV shows that evening and just kind of relax. On Saturday, I wake up at 7. I try to wake up at 7. Sometimes it's 8. If I'm feeling crazy, sometimes it's 9. But Saturdays are a little bit more loose on what I do. I typically work a half day. So I will do my to-do items. A lot of the time that is like Teachers Pay Teachers or YouTube. Sometimes it's things I have to do for my brick and mortar teaching. And then I will also prep for the week, start prepping for the week. That week I will see what I need to do and kind of get a baseline. And then on Sunday, I definitely wake up at 7 because I have to get up at 4 on Monday. So I want to make sure that I kind of set myself up for a good week. So I will prep for the week. I will make sure my laundry's done. I have my menu planned for the week. I have everything laid out and prepped so that my week can go smoothly. It's kind of like my reset day for the week. And then I try to have everything calm down for the evening around 4, where I will watch TV, rest and relax, and have everything ready for when I get up at 4 in the morning. And then in my handwritten notes, I have sublists. So it's like specific things I can choose for what I'm working on with Teachers Pay Teachers or my YouTube ideas. I make a detailed list of things that I want from the grocery store, how much it's going to cost, do all that great budgeting and everything. But this is what I personally do to schedule out my week so that I can have a productive week and I still have time to rest and relax. And during the week, I always try to remember the reason why I'm doing this and that I am choosing these things for my schedule and I'm choosing to do these activities so that I can ultimately work towards my final goal of working from home. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. I have a PDF in the description below that you can download so that you can be more productive in your planning this week. Also, don't forget to leave a comment on what your schedule looks like during the week and the why you are doing specific activities. Now, my schedule is a little different because I don't have to worry about anybody else but me. I don't have anybody else that I need to take care of. So this schedule works for me. And I'm excited to see what you put in the comments below on what your schedule looks like and the reason why you are doing your specific items to get towards your goal. If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. I picked out a few videos over here that I thought you might like. See you next time.